Hello everyone, here is Miss Deschambault and I'm just making a quick video so I can show you how to use the Pluriportail to give documents to your teachers. So today just a quick video on using the Pluriportail to give some documents to your teachers, to upload some presentations and things like that. So first thing you need to do, you need to go on your Pluriportail. So either you can use the app that you have here called Citoyen, but I'm going to show you by just using Safari so you can do it from anywhere you want. So we're just going to click on our Safari here and open it up. Maybe you already have the Pluriportail in your favorites, but for us, we're just going to look for it, on Google. So we're going to look for Pluriportail. And remember, it's Pluriportail Citoyen, so if you're not looking for the right one, so Pluriportail Citoyen, and you're going to see it should come up as the first one here. So I'm just going to click on this. So Portail Collège Citoyen. Here you have your nom d'usager, so you need to log in. Usually it's your student number. And then you have to put in a password. Once you're on your Pluriportail, it should look something like this. So the first thing I want you to do is to go and make sure that you're in Parcours here. So you just click on Parcours. Make sure you're on the right page. So here you have all your classes. So you need to click on the class that you want to upload your document to. For this example, we're going to do Anglais langue seconde. So you just click on this. Once you're there, you look at all the choices you have on top here, and where we want to go is into Travaux. So we're just going to click on Travaux. Okay, so once you're on the page for Travaux over here, what you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and choose the thing that you're interested in. So here we have all our evaluations for the term, but the one we're looking at today is Exposé oral, this one oral presentation on October 6th. And if you go all the way right up here, you'll see a paperclip. So this is what we want to look at. The paperclip is where we click, so we're just going to click on this now. And then when you click on the paperclip, it opens to a new page. Yours may be a little bit different, but what you want to go and look at is something at the bottom here, is to select a folder, in this case, sélectionner les fichiers. So we're going to go ahead and click on this one here, and then we're going to get some choices. So we can take a photo, a video, look in our iCloud Drive, but actually we all created a OneDrive account, so we can go ahead and click on plus here, the three little dots. So click on this, and then you have some choices. So me, I have all these things that I can use, but for you it's going to be the OneDrive. So just click on the button here, and it's going to turn green like this, and that's good. And then we can just click OK and be back in that first page. So now we're in the first page, and we're going to go into our OneDrive so that we can go look for our presentation to put on the website. So for me, I have two different ones where I'm going to go look in the Collège Citoyen example here. And if you open it, you should have all of your documents and your folders that we did together in class. And for this one, we're going to look at Anglais. So just click on English for you. And then you have all the documents that you've used and that you've put into this folder when you save them. This folder, sorry, and when you save them. So I'm going to just choose this one. So it's a PowerPoint presentation with the last name, first name, and then the name of the presentation or the topic that we're talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And it's going to be downloading my document and then putting it on the website. So now if I look here, I have that presentation that I just looked at. last name, first name, and the topic. So I have it here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and click on this little square. You see the square here. I'm going to go and choose it. So I choose this, and this is what I'm going to remettre. Remettre means when I hand it in. So I choose this. I'm happy this is what I want, and then I'm going to click on remettre. So when I click on remettre, then it actually changed place. It says l'ajout de fichier a été effectué sans erreur. Perfect. This is what I want. And then I see here le fichier remis. So you see the title here of the travail that I put on, and then you have the time and the date where you handed it in. So after you do this, if you see this part, then you did it right. So you're done. So you should be done with it. That if you go back to everything else and come back to this page, you will see it again. So that is pretty much how you do this. If you're not sure, go back in the video, listen to it again, and make sure that you got every step right, because it's really important that you know how to do this for English and for all your other topics as well. So basically this is what it looks like when you finish putting in your work. I hope that was helpful. So let me know if you have any questions, and make sure that you use your last name, your first name, and the title of your presentation at the end so that I know what it is, and to upload it onto the Pluriportail before you present in class so that I can look at it, and if you lose it, then we have access to it. So that is it. Thank you, and have a good night.